We are on a train.
We both got window seats.
Yeah, we're not late. We made it on the train. We didn't miss the bus.
It's nice. It's Wi-Fi.
Is this not gonna slip off? If you want to see us missing the bus, go back to the last vlog. Because oh yeah, that was traumatizing. Go watch that vlog. We're going to Sevilla and Cordoba this weekend, which is in the south of Spain. So get it.
Bienvenidos a Filipo. Este es el nombre de esta hacienda y es el nombre de nuestra marca, bueno, es nuestra marca comercial. I have a friend that lives in the south of Lebanon and me envió un vídeo hace unos meses de un árbol que tiene 5.000 años. Okay, 5,000 years old. Un olivo todavía produciendo, o sea que pueden vivir muchos años, 20, 20 years is a baby.
You always do something embarrassing in my vlogs. We are at an olive oil tasting.
Down the table you have like a heater.
What?
Así que podéis cubrir vuestras piernas. Así.
Oh, gracias.
That's the custom here in Seville.
Me gusta.
Very well. ¿Qué tal?
Oh, God.
It's good?
Como un mezcla de...
Bien. Si tú cierras los ojos, y tú hueles, tú no piensas, you never think of olive oil. Vamos a tomar un poco, it's like a sip. Vamos allá.
No. Oh my God, I'm scared. Wait, I told her what I was doing. Oh. So we put the orange olive oil on chocolate ice cream. Maybe I should get one. I don't know. I just feel weird. Like, you know how like when you travel, you just like want to remember things you did. So Nicole said I had to vlog. Yeah. It's been a hot set. See, I haven't had a clip of that in like a good week. I know, right? The end of the study abroad montage is gonna be iconic. This is the views. Views from the six. I saw that. Me and Nicole. It's a view. You know, a regular day on the way to class.
Oh, you know. It's university days.
You know, weekend trips every weekend. We're not new to this.
School?
No, yeah. That paper, did you finish your paper?
Not in my class.
Oh. Well,
I don't have to do that.
That's a no, so you're gonna fail.
I have a presentation now. It's Tuesday. Why would you assign me your presentation?
At least it's not Monday.
What's going on? But I got it on Thursday.
What is my hair? Have I been taking pictures like this? My dog has ever seen water.
Really?
Well, like, not like that. Like, to, like, jump in freely.
Oh, yeah.
Bro.